we'll be learning what are groups and how to make groups using NFL offensive stats data. So the data is already loaded in Tableau using Excel option. So we'll be using sheet number 2 and we'll be directly making group groups in Tableau using hometown dimension. So we we click on the hometown dimension and we click on the create option. We go to group option here. We choose Melbourne City here as a first feature in the group. So here is Melbourne City, and we choose another city as New York. So we group both of these cities, and the name is Melbourne and New York. The name of the group is Melbourne and New York. We apply the new group, and we okay. So the new group is created the dimension as a discrete dimension with the name hometown group. So we drag the dimension in columns field, and we drag the college wins measure, which is a continuous variable in rows. So we get a bar chart, and here if we search Melbourne in New York in the row in the x-axis. So here is this Melbourne and New York in the same group. So the title of the sheet is groups in Tableau. So Melbourne and New York group is created using hometown dimension. All right. Thank you for watching.